Monopoly Guide Tips and Tricks. Here are some top tips and tricks in Monopoly Go beginner's guides for amateurs in order to progress in the game easily. Number 1. Collect the shield faster. Shields are basically elements that block others from damaging your landmarks. Hence, being an amateur, it is very important to gather some shield very fast. This is because at first your empire is very small, and hence if all of the built landmarks are broken, you will be left with a void. You should at least collect a minimum of 3 shields. Number 2. Use auto rolls wisely. While playing the board game, you will come across an auto roll upgrade. It is basically an upgrade through which you can roll your dice multiple times. You can use it by pressing the go option for a long time, but sometimes you shouldn't use the auto roll or else you may end up in the jail option on the board. Thus, calculate every step before pressing the auto roll. Number 3. Focus on landmarks. After gathering a handful of money, you have several options to invest them. But your investment's first priority always will be landmarks. This is because if some other players will buy plots before you, you will lose your plots. Hence, afterward, if you want to buy them again, you have to do it but at an extra cost. Also, building more landmarks will expand your empire. Number 4. Minigames are a free source of money. Many people ignore this, but minigames are the best source to earn extra money. As a result, never ignore minigames and try to complete them as soon as you can get the chance. The games are basically easy, so earning cash would be not a problem. You can use the earn cash afterward wherever you want. Number 5. Try to land on homes. When you build landscapes or knock down others' properties, you receive a house-shaped token. The places where the token gets placed can give you extra money. As a result, try to land in those places to earn extra. I hope these tips and tricks were helpful. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.